So again, we have another article trying to tell us that it's time to buy Chargepoint stock, all because the United States needs more EV charging stations. Isn't that just logical? If you think that EV vehicles are going to dominate the roads in the United States, then obviously you will need more EV charging stations, which is what Chargepoint, that's its business. This is what it do. But I can think of another reason why it may be time to buy Chargepoint stock. And take a look at the chart. I mean, it's making all-time lows. Like, come on. If this is going to be a formidable company, if it's going to have any space in this competitive world of EV vehicles and charging stations, then why is the market going down? For real. We got Barron's trying to tell us that it's time to buy Chargepoint stock because the United States needs more charging stations. Plus, Chargepoint stock is down. So what does it mean for us? Like, is there anything here for us to actually participate on, to actually look for the market in Chargepoint to go back up? Because if so, then yeah, it is time to buy. But if not, we shouldn't touch this yet. Because look at this. I did a price prediction in Chargepoint going all the way back in like June, looking for the market to go higher. And he even broke our area of support right there around $8. So yeah, this one went against what I thought was going to happen. The market bulls in Chargepoint obviously left the market. They ran out of money. And it's like, I ain't got no more money to support the price. Right there around $8, I'm out. And price cratered since then. So yes, this price prediction did not go the way I expected it to go. And it will happen. But I think you guys can see the reason why. When buyers leave, price has no other choice but to go down to find the next batch of buyers. And it looks like it hasn't found them yet. So yeah, let me go ahead and get rid of this price prediction here. And let's talk about what's going on to the market at Chargepoint. Since it didn't hold support around $8, we could get rid of that area of support. And we're going to continue to follow the trend down. Now, price so far in Chargepoint is so far away from the trend that I wouldn't even be surprised to see the market make us a quick run back up here to this descending line. That's 47, almost 48% right there. And many people will try to come on board after the market in Chargepoint have already ran 45% and will begin to create videos and say, now's the time to come in and buy the market. Okay, so let's see what we have. So take a look here into the market in Chargepoint. The market's still weak. Okay, I don't see any strength here formulated right now into the market in Chargepoint. There's only one indicator, or at least one price bar, that we're seeing some emphasis that buyers are entering the market now. But the following 2 days, the market is coming right back down. So the market is not extremely strong yet. Okay, even though Barron's is trying to tell us that since Chargepoint is down, we need to come in and buy it. Well, we don't need to come in and buy it if we haven't found the bottom yet. If we haven't found the area to where market is creating support. Okay, so here it is on the 3-day chart. Again, you guys can see that there's weakness there too. So we may make another run back down to the low of this 3-day price bar, $5, and then begin to see the market in Chargepoint go higher. Okay, because this high volume right here on this 5-day price bar definitely represents the potential that buyers came in and currently tried to support price. So it's on the weekly. Okay, even with this immense volume on this last weekly price bar in Chargepoint, this high volume on this very small spread also tells me that buyers could be coming into the market in Chargepoint as well. Okay, here on the 30-minute chart, you guys can see it's been a very slow, methodical move to the downside. I think the market's going to test this area here for support as well. And then if not going to test that area, it's going to test the low of this bar. And if not that one, it's going to test this one. Okay, one of these 3 areas, I suspect the market in Chargepoint is going to try to test for more buyers. Okay, so now it's not too big of a move to the downside, but I want to see that happen first before I drop a price prediction looking for the market in Chargepoint to begin to go up. Okay. Until that time, the market here in Chargepoint is definitely weak. You can see it right there on the 5-hour bar. Right here, we got two indicators off of one 5-hour price bar, representing that the market is definitely weak. It couldn't capitalize off of this strength bar right there on this 5 hours. And you can see where the selling pressure is coming in right there around $6.12. This is a big batch of selling occurring into the market in Chargepoint there too. So yeah, so this market currently is still looking weak. Now, seeing that we are trading at areas that we haven't seen trade before in Chargepoint since, I think this was a SPAC. Since it became a SPAC in 2019, there's nowhere that we can tell, okay, where's the bottom? I'm just giving you all that heads up now. Okay. So yeah, the market currently is weak in Chargepoint. I am going to suspect that price is going to continue to drift to the downside. Let me put this on the chart. But I don't know how low it's going to go. I'm just going to keep it a buck. And you can see this may be a gap created into the market in Chargepoint right here to where the market will eventually try to come in and fill it. Okay. So let me see if that is in fact a gap. Yeah, so that is a gap there. So usually the market's going to try to come and fill that because that's inefficiency, and it likes to create an efficient market. So that's a gap right here that we may suspect will eventually get filled. Okay, so even though I don't know how low price is going to go, we're going to anticipate that the market is still going to drift to the downside a little bit, and how it could happen today. The bottom could ultimately happen today into the market at Chargepoint, and then I might need to come back in and drop another price index and looking for the market to go higher. Okay, so let's just see how low it's going to go. That's going to be my price prediction into the market at Chargepoint right now. The sooner we grab support, the sooner we grab buyers, namely right here on these lows, the better. If it doesn't hold these two lows on these daily price bars, then the next logical area had to be on the low on the 7th of September. All right, so this is what I'm looking at right now. Go ahead and give me your thoughts though. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, trade different.